The mode formula in Google Sheets is going to return to you the most occurring value from a set of numbers that you give it. So, for example, if we wanted to know what the most occurring value is in this second column here, which I've conveniently bolded to show you that 2100 occurs 3 times and is the most occurring value, what we would do is equals mode, M-O-D-E, open up our parentheses, and then we can highlight this entire range of cells, and that's going to indicate to Excel, or to Google Sheets, sorry, that we want to check this entire range of cells for the most occurring value. Close our parentheses, press enter, and 2100 is returned. You can also give this multiple ranges if you want to pass in multiple ranges. Or let's say I have some data scattered around the worksheet here, like so. You can also pass it just single cells, like that. Going to delete these. And one other option that might be interesting to you, you can actually pass it individual values as well. So let's say let's pass it 5, 5, 5. I'm going to pass it 4 5s, and it will return 5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if there's something I can do to improve these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what it is.